Students, this is a continuation of module 2.7 video, and this we are discussing it is communicating concepts using a general scenario. Communication concepts. Communication means the transfer of data in the form of data. The data may be a message, or it may be a voice command, or it may be a video audio file. Any form of data that can be exchangeable between two different entities, that is called as a the transaction. The transaction is called as a what? Communication. And communicating concepts using a general scenario. Till this we have discussed many scenarios: security scenario, modifiability scenario, availability scenario, testability scenario, and this is general scenarios we are discussing here. It is one of the uses of general scenarios is, and it enables stakeholders to communicate. Stakeholder, one who uses a particular system. In the case of software systems, stakeholders are developers, designers, end users, marketing personnel, testers, verifiers. Like this, many people are comes under the term stakeholders. And in the table 4.7, it gives a stimuli possible for each of the attributes and shows a number of different concepts also. Some stimuli occur during runtime and others may occur before a runtime. That is, before runtime is initialization time. The problem for the architect is to understand which of these stimuli represents the same occurrence, which are aggregates of other stimuli and which are independent. Let us see what are the quality attribute stimuli. The first one is there are two columns here. The first column represents quality attributes of any software architecture. What are the quality attributes? The software availability, modifiability, performance, security, testability, and usability. And stimulus is a object. It is an object. Object may be a person, or it may be an incident, or it may be an actuator. Here, all these aspects are what? Actuator. Availability, that is unexpected event. Stimulus may be an unexpected event, non-occurrence of a expected event. When the system is not available, only when any unknown event or unexpected event generates. Also, non-occurrence of a expected event. When particular event is expected, then that event is not happening, and apart from this, some unexpected event is happening. The analogy for this is when you make a call to guest X, and instead of X on the same day some Y comes, then it is unexpected thing. This is one general example. Apart from this, when you are writing a online exam for software architecture, the question paper is of software engineering. So that is, expected event is software architecture question paper. The user has required and developer has to implement it in the system. But instead of that, unexpected event happened. That is, you are getting a software engineering question paper. This is what the difference between unexpected event and expected event. And next quality attribute is modifiability. Request to add. What is a modifiability means? We are adding something, we are deleting or changing without adding or deleting, just changing the things. And it may vary functionality. We can change the platform. Earlier it was running with a some Windows Series XP and now want to run the same system on the Android mobile applications, or on some other system like Mac operating system, the operating system for Apple devices. Also, I want to expect to run the same system on Unix. Like this, the modifiability with respect to platform and quality attributes. Suppose quality attributes are, these are the quality attributes. We need to change some availability. It should not available to all the users. Some it may be the system may be available to some restricted users. Like this, availability quality attributes you can change. For example, I am uploading all the videos on the YouTube, and I am making the option anybody can view. That is, I am choosing the option public. So I want to change this system. With respect to the quality attribute called availability. Now I want to make the specification as only private, so that only my video students can view all the videos that I have uploaded. This is how I can change the that is quality attribute with respect to modifiability. Or capacity. Earlier my videos are taking that is less than 10 KB. I want to make lesser than this. That is, I want to make it 7 KB. This is one kind of capacity, that is capacity with respect to storage. That is a modifiability. And next one is a performance. Performance may be periodic, sporadic, or stochastic. In the next video, in detail, we will discuss the meanings of this. What is a periodic? What is a stochastic? What is a sporadic? And next is security. And security, it always try to hide, restrict the unauthorized access of the system, maybe with respect to display, with respect to modifiability. Anyone cannot made a modification to the system, change or delete information, access or reduce availability to the system services. The best example for this is in a video website. Being a user, I can only view the data whatever it is available on the website. I cannot modify the data. I cannot change or delete the information. I cannot access or reduce the availability to the system services. This is a security. Means I am just a user of a system. I am not an authorized user. Authorized users are the one who belongs to the admin category, one who develops the software and the one who manages the software. And next is testability, the completion of phases of the system development. Testability means completion of phases of the system development. Means during the development stage, or during the design phase, or during the implementation, or during the compilation, many errors will occur, many faults. The system may arise with different faults and errors. In order to get rid of, in each stage I need to carry out different tests. It may be unit test, or it may be integration testing, or it may be system testing, in order to get rid of the system fault tolerance. So in order to make the system fault tolerant, this is the way I need to provide the security. And next is testability, that is testability to get rid of errors. And next, usability. Usability means it has to the system should be user friendly. The user has to perform all the operations without any difficulty. In order to enhance the usability, we need to add some manual guides there. And it wants to learn system features, use the system efficiency, minimize the impact of errors, adopt the system, and feel comfortable. In a system, when you develop any system, there may be many features. All the features I need to learn, and I need to use the system efficiently, without any faults, and minimize the impact of errors. The user can halt or abrupt the system in between at a runtime, and adaptability of the system, and user must feel comfortable when using a particular system. These are the different quality attribute stimuli. Apart from this, other system quality attributes are as follows. The first one is a scalability and another one is a portability. Okay, these are the other quality attributes. These are the basics one and these are the advanced quality attributes, scalability and the portability. Scalability means how much the number of users can use the same system. For example, the system is built to use for only 100 people. In the future, it may connect with 1,000 people. That is a scalability. The best analogy for this is I developed one civil bus, and in that bus only 60 people can travel at a time, and I want to enhance the scalability of this. So I will add some more seats over there, under 60 seats there, that is 60 plus 60 becomes 120. 120 people can travel at a time. This is my scalability. Apart from this, in another way we can discuss scalability as a I developed one network, that is that network in that network only 100 people can connect. For example, if you take a Zoom online meeting, the Zoom server can support only 100 people at a time. And in the future, I want to support 1,000 people. 1,000 people can interact in the same meeting simultaneously. Then that is a scalability of that system. And portability means without any external device connectivity or installing external softwares. With the same software, with the same initial fundamental support system, the system can perform its task as intended as earlier. This is a portability of the system. Next, apart from this, we need to consider business qualities. That is, business qualities means time to market. What is the cost of benefit when any software product is developed, and projected lifetime of the system. What is the lifetime of particular system, and what are the targeted market people, and rollout schedule, integration with the legacy system. These are the business qualities. Till this video, till this point, what I have discussed, these are that is internal quality attributes, and business qualities are external quality attributes. Until and unless when the software product is developed, it has to satisfy the internal quality attributes like all the quality system stimuli. Apart from that, it has to satisfy the business qualities like this, that is time to market. Time to market means if there is a competitive pressure or a short window of opportunity for a system or a product, the development time becomes important. This in turn leads to pressure to buy or otherwise reuse a existing element. The best analogy for this, this is when you take the soap industries, and the soap industry want to launch one soap with a low cost, the cost of 10 rupees, and another soap industry with the same manufacturing cost want to launch the soap, same quality soap with a cost of 15 rupees. So what will be the beneficial for the end user? Here the first company, that is X Imagine. X has launched its product with a 10 rupees on a date in the month October, and Y is launching the same product in the month November with the cost 50 rupees. Then obviously the benefit will be the industry X, and the industry named X, because the cost is lower compared to other, and the quality is same, and it is reaching to the people earlier. So this is what time to market. I will stop this video here, and remaining part I will be continuing in the next video.